Hello, my friend. Welcome back to Sir English Language. My name is Alex.
And I'm Maya. We are so happy you are here today.
Today, we want to talk about something very important, something that many English learners feel nervous about.
Yes, we want to talk about small talk.
Small talk. Do you know this word? Small talk.
Good. Small talk means short, friendly conversations. Not deep, not serious, just friendly words.
Maybe you feel scared when you meet new people. Maybe you think, what do I say? My English is not perfect. I will make a mistake.
We understand. Many people feel this way, but here is the good news.
Small talk is easy. You don't need perfect grammar. You don't need big, difficult words. You just need a few simple phrases.
And today, we will teach you these phrases. We will go slowly. We will repeat everything, and we will practice together.
By the end of this lesson, you will know exactly what to say when you meet someone new. At work, in a shop, on the bus, anywhere.
Are you ready? Let's begin.
First, let's understand. What is small talk?
Small talk is a short conversation, very short, maybe 1 minute, maybe 2 minutes.
You use small talk to break the silence, to be friendly, to show you are a nice person.
You can use small talk in many places, at work, at school, in the supermarket, at the gym, on the train, everywhere.
Small talk is not about big topics. You don't talk about politics. You don't talk about personal problems. You don't talk about religion.
No. Small talk is about simple things, easy things, things everyone can talk about.
Like what? Like the weather. Like your weekend. Like coffee. Like traffic.
These topics are safe. Everyone understands them, and they help you connect with people.
Now, here is something important to remember.
You don't need perfect English for small talk. Really, you don't.
Just a few natural phrases. That's all. And we will teach you these phrases today.
So relax, take a deep breath, and let's learn together.
Okay, let's start with the most popular small talk topic in the world. Can you guess?
The weather.
Yes, the weather. In English-speaking countries, people love to talk about the weather.
Why? Because everyone experiences the weather. It's easy, it's safe, and it's always changing.
So let's learn some weather phrases. Listen carefully. We will say each phrase slowly. Then you repeat.
Ready? Here is the first one.
Lovely day, isn't it? Good. Lovely day, isn't it? You use this when the weather is nice, sunny, warm, beautiful. You can say this to your neighbor, to a coworker, even to a stranger in the park.
Let's try another one.
It's really cold today. Perfect. This one is simple. You use it when the weather is cold. Maybe in winter. Maybe in the early morning. You can say this at the bus stop, at the office, in a shop, anywhere.
Here's another useful phrase.
Looks like it might rain. Excellent. You use this when the sky is cloudy, when you think rain is coming soon. This is perfect when you're waiting outside or when you're talking to someone under a roof.
Now let's try a phrase for hot weather.
Can you believe this heat?
Wonderful. This phrase shows surprise. You use it when the weather is very, very hot.
It's a great way to start a light conversation. People will usually agree with you and smile.
Here's one more.
Finally, some sunshine.
Beautiful. You use this when sunny weather returns after many rainy or cloudy days.
This phrase is positive, happy. It makes people feel good.
Now, why does weather small talk work so well?
Because it's universal. Everyone experiences weather. Rich people, poor people, young people, old people. Everyone.
And it's neutral. Nobody gets angry about weather small talk. It's safe.
So remember, when you don't know what to say, talk about the weather. It always works.
Now, let's talk about small talk at work. This is very important.
Yes, at work, small talk helps you build relationships. It shows you are friendly. It makes the workplace more comfortable.
You can use small talk in the office, in the hallway, at the coffee machine, in meetings, everywhere at work.
Let's learn some work small talk phrases. Listen and repeat.
Busy day?
Good. This is a simple question. You ask this to someone who looks like they have a lot of work.
You can say this in the hallway, at the coffee machine. It's friendly and shows you care.
Here's another one.
How's your project going?
Excellent. This shows interest in your coworker's work. It's professional and friendly.
Now try this one.
I could use another coffee.
Perfect. This is a friendly way to say you're tired or need more energy.
People usually laugh or agree when you say this. It creates a nice moment.
Here's a very popular phrase.
Almost the weekend, huh?
Wonderful. You use this on Thursday or Friday. It shows you're looking forward to the weekend.
Everyone loves this phrase. It connects you with your colleagues.
One more work phrase.
Got any plans after work?
Great. This is a friendly question. It shows interest in someone's life outside work.
Now, let me tell you why work small talk is so important.
When you use small talk at work, people see you as friendly, approachable, easy to talk to.
This helps you build better relationships, and better relationships make work more enjoyable.
Also, small talk can lead to bigger conversations. Maybe you discover you have something in common with a coworker.
Maybe you both like the same music, or the same food, or the same TV show.
These connections make work feel less like work. They make it feel more like community.
So don't be shy at work. Use these phrases. Start small conversations. You will be surprised how much it helps. Now, let's talk about small talk in public places.
Public places are everywhere. Cafes, buses, trains, shops, airports, waiting rooms.
In these places, you might be near strangers, people you don't know.
And small talk can make these moments more pleasant, more human, more friendly.
Let's learn some phrases for public places. Listen carefully.
Is this seat free?
Perfect. This is a polite question. You ask this when you want to sit next to someone.
You can use this on a train, in a cafe, in a waiting room. It's simple and polite.
Here's another one.
The line is moving slowly, huh?
Good. You use this when you're waiting in a slow queue, at a shop, at the airport, anywhere.
This phrase creates a shared experience. You and the other person are both waiting. You understand each other.
Try this one.
Busy place today.
Excellent. You use this when a place is full of people, like a cafe or a shopping mall.
It's a simple comment, but it can start a short, friendly chat.
Here's a nice one.
The smell in here is amazing.
Beautiful. You use this in a cafe or a bakery when you smell fresh coffee or pastries.
This phrase shows appreciation. It often makes people smile.
One more.
Got any plans for the weekend?
You can use this on Thursday or Friday, with coworkers, with classmates, even with friendly strangers.
Now, why is public small talk important?
Because it makes the world feel friendlier, less lonely, more connected.
When you smile and say something nice to a stranger, you make their day a little better.
And you practice your English. Every small conversation is practice.
So don't be afraid. Try these phrases. Start small conversations in public places.
You will feel more confident, and you will make the world a little brighter.
Now, let's talk about neighbors.
Neighbors are people who live near you, in your building, on your street, in your area.
Small talk with neighbors is important. It builds trust. It creates a friendly community.
You don't need to be best friends with your neighbors, but a little small talk goes a long way.
Let's learn some neighbor small talk phrases.
How's everything with you?
Good. This is a friendly, general question. You can ask this when you see a neighbor outside.
It shows you care. It shows you're a good neighbor.
Here's another one.
Your garden looks great.
Perfect. This is a compliment. You use it when you notice something nice about your neighbor's property.
Compliments make people feel good. They create positive feelings.
Try this one.
Lovely day for a walk, isn't it?
Excellent. You use this when you see a neighbor outside. Maybe they're walking their dog or coming back from the park.
It's warm, friendly, and easy to say.
Now, why is neighbor small talk important?
Because it creates a sense of community. When you know your neighbors, you feel safer, more connected.
And if you ever need help, your neighbors will be more willing to help you.
Also, small talk with neighbors is great English practice.
Your neighbors probably speak English, so every conversation is a chance to improve.
So, next time you see a neighbor, don't just walk past. Say hello. Make a small comment. Be friendly.
It only takes a few seconds, but it makes a big difference.
Okay, we've learned many phrases today, but now let's talk about the golden rules of small talk.
These are the important principles, the things you should always remember.
Rule number 1. Keep it short.
Yes, small talk is small. 1 minute, 2 minutes, that's all.
You don't need to have a long conversation, just a few friendly words. Then you can continue with your day.
Rule number 2, keep it positive.
Yes, small talk should be light, happy, positive.
Don't complain too much. Don't talk about sad things. Keep the mood friendly and pleasant.
Rule number 3. Keep it simple.
You don't need complicated words. You don't need perfect grammar.
Just use simple phrases, The ones we taught you today, they work perfectly.
Rule number 4. Smile.
Yes, this is so important. When you smile, people feel comfortable. They want to talk to you.
A smile is universal. It works in every language, every culture.
Rule number 5. Don't worry about mistakes.
This is the most important rule.
Everyone makes mistakes. Native speakers make mistakes too.
The important thing is to try, to practice, to be brave.
Every time you use small talk, you get better. Your confidence grows. Your English improves.
So don't be afraid. Don't be shy. Just try.
Now, let's practice all the rules together. Let's imagine a situation.
You're at a coffee shop. You're waiting in line. The person next to you looks friendly.
What do you say? Let's try busy place today.
Good. Now the person smiles and agrees. What else can you say?
The smell in here is amazing.
Perfect. You're having a small conversation. It's friendly, it's easy, it's natural.
See? Small talk is not scary. It's actually fun.
Now let's practice together. We will give you a situation. You say the small talk phrase.
Ready? Situation 1. It's a beautiful, sunny day. You see your neighbor outside. What do you say?
Good. You could say, lovely day, isn't it? Or lovely day for a walk, isn't it?
Situation 2. You're at work. It's Friday afternoon. You see a coworker. What do you say?
Excellent. You could say, almost the weekend, huh?
Situation 3. You're on a train. You want to sit down. There's a seat next to someone. What do you say?
Perfect. You say, is this seat free?
Situation 4. You're in a cafe. It smells like fresh coffee. You want to make small talk with someone nearby. What do you say?
Wonderful. You could say, the smell in here is amazing.
You're doing great. You're learning small talk.
Okay, my friend, we've covered so much today.
Let's review quickly. What did we learn?
We learned that small talk is short, friendly conversation. It's not deep, it's not serious, it's just friendly.
We learned that the weather is the most popular small talk topic. Everyone can talk about the weather.
We learned phrases for work, for public places, for neighbors.
And we learned the golden rules. Keep it short, keep it positive, keep it simple, smile, and don't worry about mistakes.
Now here is your homework.
This week, try to use small talk 3 times. Just 3 times.
Maybe at work, maybe in a shop, maybe with a neighbor.
Use one of the phrases we taught you today. See what happens.
We promise people will be friendly. They will smile. They will respond.
And you will feel more confident, more comfortable, more connected.
Remember, small talk is a skill, like riding a bike, or cooking, or playing music.
The more you practice, the better you get. So practice. Be brave. Try.
We believe in you. We know you can do this.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. We are so proud of you.
Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and we'll see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, my friend.
Goodbye, and good luck with your small talk.